In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a seat that looks like this. So if your seat looks like peeling, splitting, all that kind of stuff, I'm going to show you guys what you need and exactly how to fix this. So to fix this, there are a couple of things you need. You want to have a electrical tape, and you want to buy this leather cover or leather sticker thing, which you can buy for like dirt cheap. I paid $3 for this piece. You can get it on eBay and Amazon, places like that. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do, how I'm going to fix this. So first, you want to get some rubbing alcohol to quickly wipe it down, so it's good for glue and stuff like that to stick on. And then I'm going to use electrical tape just to tape over this area so it holds there properly. Alright, so it looks something like this after I taped it. It's just to hold it in place. Now I have just trimmed this leather sticker to roughly the size of the shape of the part you're wanting to cover up. So now I'm gonna get, probably easier to get another person to hold the other side. I'm just gonna stick this on. I just got the piece sticking on. I didn't do a good job when it comes to trimming it, but I really should make a template. I can't be I just didn't bother because it's so cheap. Basically, there we go. This is the final result. Depends on what pattern your seat are. It could be like leather doesn't have holes in there, you just buy the one doesn't have holes. If yours does, then obviously match them. So basically, yeah, this is how it looks. Really can't even tell from like far away. Basically, this is how you fix your leather seats. And if you haven't seen the video of me installing these 350Z seats in the G35, go check out that video up on the right hand side corner. And yeah, let me know if you guys have other better ideas of how to fix these kind of leather seats, splitting and ripping, down in the comment section below. If you do find this video help, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video.